All right, good morning, people. This is apparently day 12 of the recovery down here in the Green River Cove near Saluda, North Carolina. We got a hell of a lot done yesterday. I'm going to give you a quick view. There's a whole bunch of MREs and water over there. That gray building now has most of the supplies that we're concerned about bears or critters getting into. And Cove residents, please come and get some. That's why it's here. It's here to feed you. You see, we got tarps over the stuff the Army dropped us. And we got a fuel barrel. And I think my friend Shane's coming to visit. Yep, I see his pup. So it's going to be a great day. Yeah, I want to keep it light. That's my house over there. It's crumpled up right there. But it is what it is. I'm not feeling the greatest. I still got a bit of a diverticulitis flare-up happening. Yeah, I'm not a young pup. We do have some light work that needs to be done. So if a couple people were willing to assist with some further organizing, I think I got one that I know is probably going to come. That would be helpful. Anyway, peace out. Hold your head up. Don't let it get to you. Don't spread misinformation. If you don't have firsthand knowledge, don't share it. They can contact the authorities directly. Do not share the misinformation. People are already having a hard time. Not everybody's cheery as I am. I've been through a lot in my life. I can take it.